Hi, my name is Sharma. I'm the Staff SC for Network and Security Business Unit, and I've been at VMware for almost 5 years. This is my fourth year developing labs. I'm always very excited to have customers learn the new technologies, and it also forces myself to go and learn the technology myself. So, um, my lab is NSX and PAS getting started. As you guys know, that containers are getting really popular, and a lot of customers are looking for fast go-to-market strategies. This lab will allow you to actually learn NSX-T, which is next-gen NSX platform, and pivotal application services, and learn it from scratch and figure out how to actually go about doing microsegmentation on the container level and provide visibility and troubleshooting. Thanks.